Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside the game, open the Options menu, and go straight to Accessibility. This is the only built-in control that triggers text-to-speech in Minecraft. Once you're in Accessibility, locate the narrator toggle and the chat narration control. Don't adjust sound pack or resource files yet, those won't stop the built-in narrator. Make sure to proceed while the game is running so settings apply immediately. And note whether you're on Java or Bedrock, because the menu labels differ slightly. Now you'll actually remove the speech. Switch narrator to off. On Java, the accessibility entry labeled narrator should read off. On Bedrock, find Enable Text-to-Speech and uncheck it. Next, change chat settings from All or System to Hidden or Commands only so the game stops reading chat lines. Once done, exit menus to let changes persist. If you use mods, make sure no accessibility mod re-enables narration. Disable mod features that mirror the built-in narrator before continuing. Finish by confirming. Leave the world, fully quit Minecraft, then relaunch and join a game to verify speech is gone. If you still hear TTS, check installed mods or third-party TTS programs and disable them. Many mod managers let you toggle individual mods. If nothing else works, reset accessibility to defaults or remove resource packs and restart again. As a final troubleshooting tip, make sure no external screen reader is running on your OS, because Minecraft won't control system-level TTS, and that can cause continued speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.